In this lesson, we will learn that how we can add LifterLMS pricing table in our course. You can see this is my course and here I have the pricing table. Pricing table basically shows our course price, the payment method, payment years, and the enroll button and so many other informations. So here you can see when someone will click on this enroll, they will redirect to the checkout page. So you can easily use LifterLMS pricing table block to add this. When you will by default create a course and when you will create the access plan to your course, here you can see I have the access plan. When you will create the access plan, the LifterLMS pricing table block will be automatically created. But somehow if you want to add manually or if there is no pricing table, you can add that with the help of block. What we have to do, we have to visit our specific course page. Then here we have to click on this add block option. Then we have to search for LifterLMS pricing table. Here you can see I have this LifterLMS pricing table. I have to just click on this and here I have the pricing table. So I have two access plan, that's why I have two pricing table. So, and one thing you have to always remember that you can only add this pricing table on this course page. You can't use this anywhere else. So here is the pricing table. Now I will update. And if I visit my course and refresh it, here it is.